Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide TikTok accounts from contacts. So if you want to keep your TikTok account private and hidden from your contact, this is how you can do it step by step. First, you need to open the TikTok settings. So let's just launch the TikTok applications on your phone. And then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And after that, click the menu icon, the three lines in here. And then go to the privacy settings, select the settings and privacy, and tap on privacy options. And now what you need to do next is disable the contacts syncing. So you can just scroll down until you find the sync contacts and Facebook friends, this one. Click on it and make sure that the toggle is off for the options of sync contacts, and confirm when prompted to stop syncing your contacts. So by turning it off, your phone contacts will not be able to find and discover the TikTok account. And next, you can turn off profile suggestions. In the privacy menu, you can find the suggest your accounts to others in here. And then you can just toggle off options like contacts, Facebook friends, and people with mutual connections. So this will ensure that your account won't be suggested to people based on their contact list or mutual association. And the next step, you can also make your account private, but this is optional. In the privacy menu, you can just toggle on the private account. With a private account, only people you approve can follow you and view your content. And next, you can also log out of other devices. You can go to the settings and privacy and find security and go with manage devices. And now we can just remove any devices you don't recognize to ensure your account stays secure. Example, this one, you can just click on this trash icon. Next, you can also create a new TikTok account. Again, this is optional. If you already synced your contacts and want a fresh start, you can just create a new TikTok account with a different email or phone number and avoid syncing contacts during the setup process. And so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.